Whether you want to keep your delicate sweaters in mint condition or depill your upholstered couch, a fabric shaver is one of the most practical and convenient ways to maintain your clothing and furniture for years to come. As a stylist, one of the key items in my styling kit is a fabric shaver, says Grace Thomas, founder and lead stylist of Built Gracefully. This item is one of my little secrets and is so important to keeping your clothing looking brand new. To find the best fabric shavers, we tested 20 manual, electric, and battery-powered models in our lab while considering factors such as performance, ease of use, design, and value. We also spoke with Thomas for expert tips on how to use a fabric shaver and what to look for when shopping for one. Number 1. Conair Fabric Shaver and Lint Remover. If you want a fabric shaver that's quick, effective, and versatile enough to work on various fabrics, our top recommendation is the Conair Portable Fabric Shaver CLS1. During testing, we found that just one swipe removed about 75% of pills without causing holes or snags. We like that it has an outer ring that you can turn to adjust the blade height for different fabric types. We tested this fabric shaver without the outer ring, longest blade height, and found it quite effective with quick results. Although the collection chamber is smaller than other models, which means more frequent emptying, it wasn't too much of a downside. Considering the price, this shaver is an excellent value, especially for first-time buyers. You can also choose between 6 colors in a battery-operated or rechargeable model. Number 2. Ruri's Portable Lint Remover. Using an electric fabric shaver requires some caution, so if you want a manual option at a budget-friendly price, the Ruri Portable Lint Remover is for you. During testing, it took a few passes to get rid of pilling, but we liked that since there were no exposed blades, we could pull off the fuzz from the head of the shaver. The wood handle has grooves to prevent slipping, but we did think it could have used a grip of some kind for extra comfort. This 2-pack is a great option for anyone who needs an affordable fabric shaver that's safer for shaving fabrics and upholstery. Number 3. Gleener Fabric Shaver and Lint Brush. Just like sweaters and coats, fabric sofas and armchairs can easily pill. They also collect lint, pet hair, and other debris that can be challenging to remove. To keep your upholstery clean and pill-free, we recommend the Gleener Fabric Shaver and Lint Brush. This fabric shaver has a lint brush on the other end that you can use to clean up fuzz, plus a comfortable ergonomic handle. This shaver has 3 interchangeable heads, one for big and bulky items like couches and chunky sweaters, one for medium-level shaving to use on bedding, and one for delicate items such as cashmere and silk. However, we found in our testing that the pressure required to use this fabric shaver may not be suitable to completely depill delicate fabrics. Still, this is a convenient 2-in-1 fabric shaver perfect for furniture and upholstery. Number 4. Gleener Portable Compact Fabric Shaver and Lint Remover. Traveling with your favorite sweaters means you need extra care to keep them looking and feeling cozy. We like the Gleener on-the-go Portable Compact Fabric Shaver and Lint Remover for its small yet efficient size and interchangeable edges that work for different types of fabrics, one for wool, one for synthetics, cotton, and cashmere, and one for delicate cotton and silks. Each edge fits directly into the shaver, so you never have to worry about losing one. Although the accumulated fuzz on the built-in lint brush was slightly challenging to remove during our testing, it wasn't a huge setback. This fabric shaver has a round shape that easily and comfortably fits in your hand and does not require any adjustments, batteries, or complicated assembly. Considering the reasonable price, portability, and ease of storing its interchangeable edges, we think it's worth it for anyone who needs a travel-sized fabric shaver. Designed without motors, blades, or moving parts, Gleener is gentler and more effective than electric depillers. From treasured hand knits to your favorite furniture, you can trust Gleener to safely and effectively depill your most loved clothes and upholstery. Number 5. Magictec Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. You might think fabric shavers are the last thing you want to use on your expensive cashmere scarf or intricate embroidery, but the Magictec Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is a game changer for refreshing delicate fabrics. Despite only having one height setting, this fabric shaver impressed us when testing it on a cashmere sweater. It's easy to use, comfortable to hold, and gently removes pills. We also like that the back of this fabric shaver is a lint brush to quickly clear off loose lint, pet hair, and dust. While this fabric shaver may not be as effective on thicker fabrics and upholstery since the setting is on the higher side, it's perfect for fabrics like cashmere, lace, linen, and other delicates that may need some extra attention and care. Function delicately to protect further damage on clothes and fabric, with honeycomb mesh-like cover that doesn't deform and reduces the friction of clothes. Automatic shut-off lint shaver, Thanks to the safety lock, the device automatically stops when the blade cover is open or loose. With 65mm mesh that tackles almost all sizes of loose threads and loops, particulate lint, fine particulate pill, and intensive fuzz, no problem. Number 6. Philips Electric Lint Remover and Fabric Shaver. Wool and thick cotton can be challenging to shave and to pill since they are more prone to snagging. We chose the Philips Fabric Shaver as the best heavy-duty fabric shaver since it exceeded expectations when tested on thick, textured fabrics. We were impressed with how much fuzz this fabric shaver removed while never snagging or damaging the fabric. While there are no adjustable settings, its gentle yet efficient performance and ease of use more than made up for it. One downside was that the collection bin could slide off depending on how you hold the fabric shaver. With a little caution, you can breathe new life into your thick sweaters, blankets, and more. Makes a perfect gift for beginning sewers, college students, campers, crafters, kids, and teens. Add to your emergency preparedness kit. This lint ball fuzz removing fabric shaver is a great gift for a crafter. It comes with a clear, removable lint chamber for easy lint disposal. A protective cap is included, along with a head brush. Number 7. Rowenta Portable Lint Remover Shaver. If you want a versatile shaver for different fabrics, the Rowenta Portable Lint Remover Shaver with adjustable shave height is a multifunction tool for just about any material. This fabric shaver has a blade with a fixed speed, but the adjustable guard has 3 height settings so you can find the one that works best for your item. During testing, we found that this fabric shaver worked faster and more efficiently with the guard removed. Since the guard is for safety, it's important to note that using the shaver with the guard on will take several minutes longer than other models. We like that this fabric shaver comes with a cleaning brush to remove any fuzz clumps that might cause it to jam. It's also lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to empty when the collection bin gets full. If you like to take your time maintaining your fabrics, regardless of their thickness or delicate nature, this shaver is a must-have. Number 8. Allisable Fabric Shaver. If you're looking for an effective item to refresh your clothing and upholstery that's affordable too, this is the best choice for you. The Allisable Fabric Shaver worked quickly and efficiently. After one swipe through our sample fabric, we noticed about 25% of the pilling was gone. After 7 times going over the entire piece, which took about 4 minutes, 90% of the pilling was taken care of. We noted no clogging or jamming, and the item came with a small brush to clean the blades. There are 2 additional blades that come with the item, in case the first blade starts to become dull. With high ratings and ease of use, we found it simple to remove the lint collector and place it back on the item. We also thought it was easy to clean and felt safe handling it, with no worry about accidentally cutting ourselves. Like with other models, this shaver did vibrate a bit while in use, but it didn't bother us. Overall, we felt that it was effective at removing pilling, comfortable to hold and very user-friendly, even for those who have never used a fabric shaver before.